So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Ashok Leyland share. So today we know that little correction was seen in this particular stock, and before also I wanted to make a separate video because many people are having doubts regarding this, especially the technicals. So today mainly we'll do the volume analysis and also technical analysis to find out the next possible levels. And you can see the current market price of Ashok Leyland is near 107. So we'll see what is the next basic support from where it can start retracing. So basically we can see market also is in little correction. So all the stocks, especially auto stocks, are in little volatile situation. So definitely we'll try to find out some good quality stocks for long term. So make sure you join the Telegram group and also subscribe to the channel. So now let's discuss about Ashok Leyland. Okay, so first when we start discussing about the volume analysis of Ashok Leyland, so you can see on 24th March itself, we can see the deliveries are not that great because it is expected that market may correct some more. So that's why that much deliveries have been not been taken, and you can see traded quantity wise we have seen little decrease, but deliveries also have slightly decreased. So today also almost it is down 3.4%, and currently it's trading in the red region only. And even Nifty, which mainly we know that all the stocks have shown the correction, no major gainers are present today. Basically it is just a profit booking type only, but again you need to understand that they will start retracing. So just it is to create a panic situation so that you will sell and the big players will start making the money. So don't try to sell any stock, just try to average. So this is a opportunity. So okay, percentage wise also we can see little decrement is present. So that is one thing we can see regarding the deliveries of Ashok Leyland. Okay, so if we see what the indicators are suggesting, so indicators, you can see this is what I wanted. So money flow index, you can see it is completely in the oversold region. So basically we know after the scrappage policy announcement has come, so most of the auto stocks were little volatile. Even especially Tata Motors also has shown huge run up. Ashok Leyland also has given run up, but not that extent. But it was also at a point of time it was in overbought region. But later we know after the market started correcting, so many auto stocks have shown correction, and you can see money flow index of Ashok Leyland, it is in the oversold. So this is very good opportunity to add Ashok Leyland. And you can see RSI has also reached near 35.8, which is also in the mid range. So make sure you keep this particular stock into watch list, because technically we'll see what is the level, but indicators wise majorly if you see money flow index, that is suggesting you it is in the oversold region. Okay, so if you see correction wise, we can see 1 week it has corrected almost 8%, and you can see 1 month it has dropped down almost 14.54, and rest of all 3 months you can see it has maintained a good positive return, and 6 months of almost 60.46, and 1 year it has almost doubled your investment, and 3 year it has given slightly negative returns. So now let's go to technical charts. We'll put the pivot points as well, so to find out what is the next possible support. Okay, so we're back onto the technical chart. So this is 1-day chart of Ashok Leyland, and you can see currently it is trading near 107.80, and it is down almost 3.88%. So if you see, it has first given a breakdown from a particular pivot point near 111 rupees. So after that, you can see the candle which has been formed today. You can see a big red candle has been formed, which is showing some sort of bearishness. So ultimately, what is the next support that we can see? The next support we are seeing is near 105 rupees region. So that is going to be the next support, and after that we have ultimate support near the 95 and 100 as usual. That also plays a very important role. So 95 is the where we have the 200-day exponential moving average. So that is the ultimate support. I'm not telling that it will come to that region. It can retrace from the 105 only. Chances are there, because today also we have seen correction since 2 days. Almost Nifty corrected more than 4%. So that is little we can say extra over correction has been seen, not even consistent. So that much big fall whenever it happens, ultimately little retracement may happen in the market. So make sure you watch the levels clearly. So 105 would be best, after that 100 rupees. So ultimately 200 day you can also see that is also present. That is the worst case we may see if it corrects heavily. Okay, so what will be the next resistance? If it touches that and if it retraces, so definitely next resistance you can see it is near 50-day exponential moving average, which is the green line, which is near roughly 120 rupees level. So that would be the next resistance. After that we have 125. So these may be the next two resistances for Ashok Leyland. So support wise you can see 105, because today itself it has opened below the pivot point, so that's why the bearishness has continued. Okay, so money flow index wise you can see it has entered the oversold region, and you can see it is near 20. So whenever it goes there, it stays in that particular region, again it starts retracing. Okay, so that was in 1 day. So in 1 week chart also you can see the 1 week before only we can see that it has come down below the pivot point. It has closed below the pivot point, which was the 122 rupees level. So currently you can see it is near the 107 level. So ultimately you can see here one level is there near the 105 rupees level. So that I told already. So 105 is going to be very crucial. So if it goes below that, then definitely 100 rupees after that will be the 200-day moving average. So keep these things in radar before you invest, but definitely investing in small portions and accumulating will play a very good role. So not only this stock, many stocks are correcting, so try to find out the best quality stocks. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can message me in the comment section or on Instagram. So until then, take care. Bye bye.